Red, red like a shiny apple bright. Orange, orange like the sunset light. Yellow, yellow like the sun so high. Come and learn colors, give it a try. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Green, green like the grass so tall. Blue, blue like the sky we call. Purple, purple like flowers in bloom. Colors paint the world and light up the room. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Pink, brown and black so bold. White and gray with stories untold. Mix them all, what do we see? A rainbow shining bright with glee. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Colors, colors all around. Learning colors with joyful sound. Let's all sing it loud and true. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple too. Red, red like a shiny apple bright. Orange, orange like the sunset light. Yellow, yellow like the sun so high. Come and learn colors, give it a try. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's all sing and show we care. Red, orange, yellow shining through. Green, blue, purple too. Green, blue, purple too. Green, blue, purple too.
A for ant walks on the ground. B for ball rolls round and round. C for cat likes to play. D for drum beats all day. E for eagle flies high. F for frog jumps in the sky.
Almost took it.
G for goat eats green grass. H for hat you wear in class. I for igloo made of snow. J for juice is good to go. K for key opens the door. L for leaf falls on the floor. M for moon shines at night. N for net catches a kite. O for owl says hoot hoot. P for pear is tasty fruit. Q for quill writes with ink. R for raindrops go plink. S for star twinkles far. T for train goes chug chug on bar. U for unicorn with horn. V for vase holds flowers born. W for wolf howls to the moon. X for box opens soon. Y for yarn rolls away. Z for zip closes the day.
Red strawberries, red apples on the tree. Red cherries and raspberries, we love the color red. Orange, orange, orange. so sweet. Orange papaya slices, we love the color orange. Orange! Yellow bananas, yellow lemons so bright. Yellow pineapples too, we love the color yellow. Oh God! Green grapes we eat. Green kiwis and green pears. Green limes and green apples, we love the color green. Blue berries, blue plums on the vine. Blue grapes in bunches, we love the color blue. Purple grapes, purple figs and plums. Purple berries, juicy and round, we love the color purple. White coconuts, white dragon fruit inside. White pears and white peaches, we love the color white. Gray fruit is rare, but some mushrooms wear gray flair. A touch of silver shine out there, we love the color gray. Blackberries, black currants and black plums. Black grapes so sweet to eat, we love the color black. Brown dates so sweet. Brown nuts and tamarind treat. Brown cocoa in every bite, we love the color brown. Pink guavas, pink peaches and pink pears. Pink watermelon hearts, we love the color pink. Red, orange, yellow, green. Blue, purple, white, and gray. Black, brown, and pink too, we love all the fruity hues.
This is red. We say this is red. What is the color? It is red. It's red. This is blue. We say this is blue. What is the color? It is blue. It's blue. This is green. We say this is green. What is the color? It is green. It's green. This is yellow. We say this is yellow. What is the color? It is yellow. It's yellow. This is white. We say this is white. What is the color? It is white. It's white. This is gray. We say this is gray. What is the color? It is gray. It's gray. This is black. We say this is black. What is the color? It is black. It's black. This is brown. We say this is brown. What is the color? It is brown. It's brown. This is orange. We say this is orange. What is the color? It is orange. It's orange. This is purple. We say this is purple. What is the color? It is purple. It's purple. This is pink. We say this is pink. What is the color? It is pink. It's